Hey there, welcome to my page and this video review of my great experience with the SonicFoam Memory Foam ear tips made for Apple AirPods Pro 1 and 2s. The SonicFoams are available for around $15 on Amazon for a pack of 5 sets of ear tips, which is an incredible price. But stay with me because the deal gets even better. The SonicFoam ear tips come with an incredible guarantee that you'll find printed right on the back of the box. If you don't love them, then get your money back. And if a set doesn't last as long as it should, they'll replace it. And if you get the wrong size, they'll even replace those with the right size for free. Just contact them at the email address posted below that guarantee. That equates to zero risk to try these incredible ear tips from SonicFoam for yourself. Prior to discovering SonicFoam, I've been using what I believe is the #1 brand in the memory foam ear tips market for years, and I've been paying $20 to $25 for 3 sets of ear tips. They've been lasting around 4 to 5 weeks per set when they would begin to break down just like this. The top smooth layer of foam would begin to deteriorate in a line from the top to the bottom, and strangely in this same location every time. When this wear line would appear, I'd have to keep the next set with me and ready to go because realistically, by the end of that day, that ear tip could be in pieces. My new SonicFoam ear tips are not only lasting longer than the previous ones, but they're lasting well over twice as long. This set of SonicFoams is at almost 12 weeks and it's still shiny and new looking all the way around. That's almost half the cost at well over twice the durability. Here, watch as I compress a new SonicFoam ear tip. Just notice the super slow rebound of the SonicFoam Memory Foam. This is really good stuff. To use these, you just compress them all around the ear tip, then put them into your ears, and they will decompress in your ear canal, sealing into the shape of the opening. Once these decompress in your ear, they'll provide incredible noise cancellation and improve the bass response of your earbuds. And I believe they'll improve the overall sound of whatever type earbud you're using. What I do is, and just to be clear, I don't twist the ear tip, but I just give it a gentle roll between my fingers to give the ear tip a consistent compress all the way around. Then once they decompress in my ears, I'm ready to go. When opening the box of your new SonicFoam ear tips, the first thing you'll notice is they come in a great storage container with the removable partitions that you can repurpose once you've gone through all the ear tips. Right there in the top of the box is what appears to be a personal note from a SonicFoam staff member checking on the fit, which gives the feeling of a great customer service touch. Well played, SonicFoam. Then, inside the awesome reusable container is your 5 shiny new pairs of SonicFoam Memory Foam ear tips. There is another card in there with instructions on how to attach your new ear tips to your AirPods Pros, and on the other side is a short list of frequently asked questions. And then, as if all your new SonicFoam ear tips with the killer guarantee for only $15 from Amazon weren't a great enough value, if you flip over that card with the personal customer service note, from Amy, you'll find an offer for another 5 pairs of SonicFoam Memory Foam ear tips for no charge. As in for free. As in $0 and free freight. That is 10 total pairs of SonicFoam Memory Foam ear tips for around $15 on Amazon. That is a guaranteed minimum of 10 months of ear tips. And the way mine have been wearing, that could be closer to 18 months to 2 years or maybe even more. This could possibly be the greatest memory foam ear tips deal available today, and it's from SonicFoam. And all I had to do to get my extra pack was send an email to that address on the back of the box with an image of my new SonicFoam ear tips attached to my AirPod Pros, with a couple of lines letting them know how they fit and what I think of them. You'll need to throw in a couple of other small details, basically proving that you actually purchased the first set, but that's it. My second set showed up in like a week. Well, if you've made it to the end, then I hope you'll try SonicFoam ear tips for yourself. I know you won't be disappointed. And if I haven't found the best memory foam ear tip still available and you know of a better one out there, then please put that in the comments and tell me about it, because I'd love to hear that story. And if you've used SonicFoam ear tips for yourself, then let me know how your experience has been. So thanks so much for watching my video, and this is a brand new venture for me, so please help me to get it rolling by liking my video and subscribing to my page. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks again, and I hope you'll visit my page again soon. See ya.